Hi everyone. This isn't just a story, this is a reflection. A reminder that sometimes we don't realize the value of someone until they're gone. There was a person in my life, genuine, constant understanding. The kind of presence that doesn't demand to be noticed, but once gone, leaves an empty space that echoes. But I let them go, not because they did anything wrong, but because I was blinded. I got drawn in by someone who seemed more exciting, more perfect. Someone who made me forget what real value looked like. I thought I was choosing better, I thought I was upgrading, but now I see I wasn't choosing better, I was choosing you. Time passed, the excitement faded, and reality hit hard. I started to miss the one who used to check on me without being asked, the one who stayed even when I was difficult to love. And when I tried to reach out again, they weren't there anymore. If you're watching this and you still have that someone in your life, the one who sees your worst and still chooses you, please don't take them for granted. Don't let temporary attention make you forget permanent loyalty. Because once they're gone, you might never get the chance to make things right again. To the one I let go, I'm sorry, you deserved better, and I hope wherever you are now, you found the love I failed to give. And in the process, I lost someone irreplaceable.